Stock planner here, talking about Veeva Systems. It's a software company. Veeva, ticker symbol VEV, looking at the weekly time frame on the trading view chart. On January 15th, right about here, I took a trade. I thought that Veeva Systems would go up over the next few months. I took a trade 155 days out, expiring on June 19th. But ever since I entered the trade, that stock has declined over the last 4 weeks. Remember, weekly time frame, each candle is a week's worth of data. Last 4 weeks, this stock dropped. But my break even for this trade is $174, somewhere in this area here. And I'm in the green. But I looked at my portfolio today, and I'm about $1,200 in the red. Now, what happened? Well, I can tell you one thing that happened. 4 weeks is a relatively short time frame that this dropped. And it dropped significantly. And that bodes well for option buyers. If you're a buyer of an option, buyer of a call, you want it to go up pretty quick. And if you are selling a call, buying a put, you want that stock to drop. Well, I sold the put, and so I want the stock to go up. So I was on the other end of the trade, and the guy that bought a put is doing pretty good. He's $1,200 ahead. But he was not likely to execute the trade because I would buy it at 174, and this stock is trading at 180. So he'd lose money. He's not going to execute his option. Now let's look at what this trade looked like when I first executed it. I put most of my trades that I do out on Discord chat, and this is VEEV. I sold a 180 put, and my break even is 174, as I said. I received $560, and my margin at level 4 was around $2,000. That's a good return. Now, if this stock went up quite rapidly, I could have sold it for a profit at any time we're in the green. But that stock went down, and it went down to about 180, right in this area. And we're about February. There it is, 988 and 943. Somewhere in that area, I am in the red, about $1,000. I think it was about $1,200 in the morning, and now I see that my daily green, my profit for the day, is about $200. So I always keep the charts handy and saved so that I can go ahead and see what my playing field, my losing field, and my winning field is, and what my expectation is. Now, at 174, somewhere in here, this goes green. See it? And I'll get my 564. So I am green. I just got to wait. Now, the problem is I don't want this to go down any further. Let's hope we have a few more good weeks now coming up. Anyway, what do you think? Am I in trouble with this trade? Would you get out, lose $1,000, or stay the course? My answer, and it might be different from yours, is I'm staying the course. You win some, you lose some. That's all I have for you. Happy trading. Like and subscribe. Need your help.